For those of you with a sweet tooth, we have the Nutella pizza. Crescenzo, talk us through the ingredients, please.
So we have dough ball, Nutella, flour, and chopped hazelnuts.
Make sure before you use your pizza that your dough is at room temperature. This will make the dough a lot more relaxed and easy to use. What do we start off doing? We make sure we have a floury bottom. Crescenzo, please begin the kneading. And we flip it. Someone's done this before. If you get a hole in your dough like this, simply pinch it bit back together and flatten it back out. We have an oven-proof frying pan on top of the hob set at the highest heat. And now, Crescenzo, dough into pan. And now we're going to simply prick the dough with a fork. It goes under the grill at maximum heat to make sure it cooks nice and quick and to make it a little bit crispy on top. We're about to show you just what a perfect cooked pizza base looks like, and here it is. Now we're about to go into chocolate heaven. It's Nutella time. Thank you. Oh, to finish, some hazelnut. Buon appetito. Hope you enjoy cooking these at home. Let us know how you get on.